Hi, I'm Adrian from Edenai, and today I'm going to present you how powerful is the Edenai connector in Power Platform. Edenai brings together and standardizes the multitude of AI services that exist on the market. More than 40 AI service providers are available on Edenai, responding to a wide range of AI tasks such as automatic translation, text analysis, document parsing, and much more. Having a single AI API that brings all these providers together gives our user the flexibility to choose the AI model that handle their data well, that costs them the least, or simply offer the fastest processing. So let's start with a use case in Power Automate. We're going to create an automated cloud flow as a trigger. We're going to put when a new email arrives in Gmail. And this workflow is going to deal with extracting data from your invoices and store them in a spreadsheet. So first, your workflow is going to be triggered when a new email arrives, and we're going to filter the subject. So we're going to put invoice, for example, and we want only emails that has attachments. It will be the invoices you receive. Then we're gonna extract the information from the invoices thanks to the Edenai connector. We're gonna look for invoice extracting information. And in your case, you will need to create a connection before. For that, you will need an API key. You will get your API key once you create an account in Edenai. So create an account, and then you can get your API key here. You can copy it and put it here. But don't forget the keyword bearer before your API key. I recommend you to check the documentation before using our plugin. All the information are here. So once you put your API key, you can start using the connector. You have here three parameters: providers, language, and file. For the providers, you can choose to call only one provider or all of them. It's one of the main strengths of NNA. You can compare the result and choose the provider that fits with your project. So here we're going to choose verify. It's um, it's a very specialized provider in invoice processing. We're going to keep English as a language. We're going to put the attachments as the file, and for the file name, the attachment's name. Then we want to store our extracted data in a spreadsheet like Google Sheet or Excel. So we're going to insert a new row in our spreadsheet, in a spreadsheet that I have already prepared for this tutorial. It's this one with two headers, customer name and total. Okay. So for the customer name, we're gonna put the extracted data from the Edenai connector. So we're gonna search for customer name from the response of a verify, and for the total, we're gonna look for the total of verify. Okay. Now, so now we can save our workflow and test it. I'm gonna send me an email. is the invoice. Uh, I'm gonna use an invoice sample. Okay, I send it. And now we're gonna wait for the response. The response time really depends on the providers you're gonna use. Okay, here you can see all the extracted data from the Edenai response. So here you can see the customer information, invoice number, invoice total, subtotal, taxes, also, etc. Then our extracted data are in our spreadsheet, as you can see here, and that's it. You can extract more data regarding your needs. You can really play with it with the providers and uh, and the different language. So now I'm going to show you a more example of the Edenai connector possibilities. For example, we have a text to speech actions. Um, I've tested uh, I've tested it once. This case, okay. Here I use the EVM provider. I put my text, and Edenai gives me this audio error. So I'm going to download the URL, the audio.
Hello, my name is Jane.
Okay, and you get your audio generated by OpenAI. Okay, that's what we can do with the connector. We can also create image. You can generate image with several providers. Here you can we can test it. We want to create a poster for a music festival on the beach, for example. So the flow is running, and I want to show you also in text to speech tutorial that there are a lot of advanced parameters in some actions, and I really recommend you to check the documentation to see what is every every parameter to understand and have the best response possible for your case. So now we're gonna look for our response, image generation, our last call. Okay, so here we have to download the output, and you get a big response, but you can look for the audio resource, image resource URL. You copy the link and download. Oh, I made a mistake. I forgot a letter. Okay, and you have your poster created. So that's what you can do with uh, the connector. But there are a lot of action in this connector. There are like 20 AI services. There are, there are a lot. There are more in Eden AI. Um, you can add them thanks to a custom connector or HTTP request if needed. Also, in the Edeny platform, you can see your cost management. You can filter it by technology or provider, and that's it. And thank you for watching. And don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Bye.